In the past, some demons have demolished the temples, like some Vishnu temples. In the past, some
Demonic people.
they demolished the temples, Vishnu
Demolished
temples
temples,
also.
yeah.
So Lord is all powerful and all the Shaktis are there in the deity. Then how he allowed the demons to be, demolish that temple?
He decided to allow, that's all. See, that is the point you have to understand. Just because the Lord is manifesting in the deity, he doesn't become a prisoner of that deity, matter body. Anytime he can come out. Anytime he can, because he is his original form, he'll come out. So it is left to him whether he wants to be in the deity or he wants to be away from the deity. Withdraw the incarnation from the matter energy. Or he can withdraw, but he knows, okay, the deity that I had been in this deity, they had worshipped me for several years. Now somehow this thing happened, that thing happened. Now that deity body is sitting under the ground for 100 years. Somebody digs, takes out the deity, it comes out. Oh, this is the old deity that was being worshipped. That doesn't mean that the Lord was buried for 100 years. Lord immediately decides, okay, I come back here. When they buried him, when they took him, he went away. Then he protected for some, so many reasons are there. Then finally the deities are found out. Then again they were to do, as per Shastra, they do everything and the Lord comes back inside. So simultaneously the Lord is his energy and not his energy. That works. The Satchidananda form of the form resembling the deity form, that is the original Satchidananda form of the Lord. Once he enters this deity form, they are both similar form, simultaneously one and different. For a bhakta, for a devotee, he doesn't see difference, Satchidananda Lord and this. Yes, my Lord is here. He serves. And the entire reciprocation, everything happens. We know the story, how Lord walks, gives, Sakshi Gopal. You know about the story of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Goridas Pandit, that's Leela, how the, deities walked away and then he told, no, you stay. Then they stood and then they walked out. So what is the sum and substance? That Leela is very good. What is the sum and substance? For the devotees are concerned, there is no matter there. There is no matter there. Actually, it goes in line with the modern science and modern physics also. What you see as matter is actually nothing. It's all a trap. There's nothing. It's all energy. It's only perception. It's only gunas. So once the Lord comes, there is no material gunas anymore. That guna is transcendental guna. That is why Prabhupada says that little difficult, it takes little time to understand that, little more spiritual understanding of the Lord and his energy, Lord and its relationship with his energy, why he brings forth the energies, how it's simultaneously him and it is not him. These things, Achintya Bheda Bheda Tattva, we have to understand. So you don't need to understand Achintya Bheda Bheda Tattva. By being a simple devotee, here is Satchidananda Lord. Now, next question you should not come. Oh, if Satchidananda Lord, then how is it taught? If it comes, then you need Tattva, read philosophy. You read philosophy. Krandaraj Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai.